What I wish I knew before my Hyundai Santa Fe's backup camera went on strike. First things first, let's make sure your backup camera is clean. Dust and dirt can easily block its view. Give it a gentle wipe and see if that helps. Next, check your car's settings. Sometimes the backup camera can be turned off by accident. Navigate to the settings menu on your infotainment system and look for the camera options. If the camera still isn't working, it might be a software issue. Try restarting the infotainment system, turn off your car, wait a few minutes, and then turn it back on. Still no luck? It might be a wiring problem. Check the connections to make sure everything is plugged in correctly. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, consider visiting your local Hyundai dealer for assistance. Finally, if all else fails, it could be a hardware issue. Backup cameras can wear out over time. Replacing the camera might be the best solution, and there you have it. Troubleshooting your Hyundai Santa Fe backup camera doesn't have to be a headache. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.